Today I have a Torrid haul for you guys. Look at this bag, it's so beautiful. Like, I love these flowers and everything. So Torrid is one of my favorite stores. I love it there. I can spend hours there just looking at clothes, trying on new things, and I don't know, I like it. I really love the store because I am a plus size person. Sometimes when I go to other stores, it's like the plus size section is very, very limited. Like, I can only wear like maybe 1 or 2 different outfits that they have. And so what I love about Torrid is that they have like just a huge variety of clothing to choose from, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, most of my clothes are from Torrid. Like, this dress right now that I'm wearing is from Torrid. So it's, I shop there a lot. So I'm just going to show you some of the pieces that I got, and I'm also going to show you some of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing for VidCon this year. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. So let's go ahead and get into this haul thing. It's not that big of a haul. I only bought a few pieces because I already have a pretty limited size closet, so I didn't want to get a lot of things. And oh, my cat laid on this. There's cat hair on it. Oh no. Okay, so the first thing I got, which I'm gonna have to iron, but one of my favorite pieces. Okay, so I got this blazer, a blazer thing. This is a size 3. Normally on my tops, okay, so my top, I'm usually a size 2 in Torrid sizes, so that's a 2X. And for a blazer, I decided to go one size bigger so that I have more room. But yeah, this is pretty much it. It's really nice. I like the fabric. The inside lining is pretty nice. It's nice and soft. And it's also the sleeves are like 3/4 sleeves, so they don't go all the way down to my wrist, so it won't be too hot. So that's just like an item I've always wanted, so I look more professional. So that's one of the items I got. So it's like a staple item that I can have in my closet just to dress up some of my dresses. Even the dresses I have on now, like putting this on, just like, it's like, I don't know, it just kind of like makes it look more professional. I'm a working woman, yeah. And it just has this one button that just like hooks on. Oh, it does. Oh, the one thing that I don't like are the pockets are fake, and that just annoys me. It's like, why can't you put pockets in my blazer? But that's all right. This wasn't that bad of a price. I think it was like, I got it for, let's see, the tag says $58, and they were having a sale online that if you buy one item, you get one 50% off. So I think that's what the sale was. I don't remember. But yeah, so that's one of the items I got, was this blazer. I love it. All right, the next item that I got, well, next 2 items I got 2 dresses. I love dresses. One reason I love dresses is because I don't have to match 2 items of clothing. I can just wear a dress and, you know, everything's fine. They're nice and flowy. So I got this green dress. It's one of their, I think it's one of their retro. Yeah, it says Retro Chic by Torrid. It's their Retro Chic collection. Retro Chic collection brand? I don't know. But yeah, that's what it is. It has this polka dot pattern in it. I love it. It's very, you know, it's very light when I wear it. The fabric is kind of like a medium thickness. It's not too thick, which I like. And I like the polka dots too. Look, it's so cute. And it kind of has like this sweetheart, like little neckline going for it. So it just makes me feel like a princess. I don't know, I love wearing dresses, and it's very like flowy, which I love. And underneath it has some tulle in it to help give it some shape, which is nice. It has a nice lining underneath too, which is that green. And what's awesome about this dress is that it has pockets. I'm so excited, it has pockets, oh my gosh. Alright, so the next dress is a more summery dress, which I'm really excited for because I love summer dresses. And I also love summer dresses like not during summer. Like, I'll wear these during the winter and just put like leggings underneath, or like wear a sweater and pair some leggings with it. So got this dress. Oh, so this dress is really cute. I love the pattern on it. Like, this pattern is just beautiful. These little flowers, nice florals. And then like the neckline has these little lace details on it. It's kind of like a separate piece neckline almost, which I really like. It doesn't have pockets like the other dress, but that's okay. And then the hemline, so it's like a 2-layer hemline. So it has 2 layers of fabric, and then the bottom part actually has the lace that's the same on the neckline, which I thought was really nice. And wearing this dress makes it's all flowy. I love it. Makes me feel like a summer princess or something. So it's really fun. Alright, and the last thing I got, not really, I don't know if it's too exciting, but I needed a new pair of sunglasses, and I thought like, why not get like a cool pair? So I got this pair of like circle sunglasses. You can see my ring light, but I don't know, I thought these looked cute. These looked cool. Yeah. Also UV protection, it says on the sticker right here. So that'll be a nice stylish pair of sunglasses. So yeah, sunglasses. So apart from those pieces, so the pieces that I'm going to be wearing for VidCon, obviously the sunglasses, the two dresses that I got, because I find it, again, I find it a lot easier to work with dresses, because with dresses, it's like, you know, I only have to worry about one item of clothing, whereas if I were wearing like, if I was wearing like, you know, a top and a skirt or top and jeans, and I don't really wear jeans. I don't wear pants that much. Only like, I think the only time I really wore pants was when I was in marching band and the uniform had pants on it, and that was just, I don't know, I don't like pants. I don't look good in pants. So the two dresses are what I'm going to be wearing to VidCon. Like, I haven't really picked what day I want to wear these, but that's just my outfits, 4 outfits. And then I'm going to bring the blazer too, so that I can pair it with the dresses and, you know, something I can take on and off. If I don't like the blazer, I can just take it off in the middle of the day, which is fine. And I'll still look fine without the dress, or without the dress, with the blazer. Without the blazer. That's what I meant. Alright, so another piece that I'm taking with me to VidCon. So these are things that are already in my closet, so I didn't want to buy like a whole new wardrobe for this event. Although I've done that before, but just a few items. I need to iron this one and kind of like take it with a lint roller, because I have cats and they like to, their fur finds a way on my clothing. So I'm going to take this dress. I got this dress, I think, a year ago. It's also Torrid, and then I really like this dress too. It's very flowy. There's like a paint stain on there. Oh no. Well, I can probably get that out, but anyway, I really like this dress. It has this nice V-neck. It's very flowy. It's kind of like an emperor waist. It kind of like cuts off below my boobs, which I like. And this dress has pockets, which is another plus side for me, because I just like dresses with pockets. It's great. So pockets. And it has this nice butterfly pattern on it. And I like wearing like, I say like a lot. Okay. So whenever I wear like this color, this nice green color, even in this dress, this retro dress, like it has that green color, it pairs really well with the red. So like if I want to wear red lipstick or red bow, actually I have my red bow right here. This is like, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like my unofficial signature is just this red bow. So whenever I'm wearing red, this just like really pairs well with that, just the color combination. So yeah, color theory. All right. The next piece that I'm going to be wearing, it's not really a piece, it's more of, it is an outfit, so it is 2 pieces. So we have this top, it's a very summery top. I believe it's from this year. I believe, I'm not sure. So that's this top. It's very like summery, it's a tank top. And again, if like I want to dress it up, I can always put the blazer over it. And it's very, I think it's more of like a tunic, because the bottom part's very flowy. And then I'm going to pair that with this light pink skirt, this blush skirt. I love this skirt. It's very flowy, and whenever I wear it, I feel like a princess. I just love twirling around in it. It's amazing. And so these two go together pretty well. Yeah, that's the 2 patterns. So that's one pattern. And again, with the blazer, just to, you know, dress it up, and with the sunglasses. So yeah, that's pretty much my outfits that I'm going to be wearing for VidCon, and also my Torrid haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please subscribe. If you want to, you don't have to. You can also check out my art channel too, where I post a lot of my art videos and, you know, drawing tutorials and all that fun stuff. And you can also check out my social medias, which are linked down below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you